Hi guys, in this video we will outline the steps to create, open, edit and preview Markdown files using the Notepad app on Windows 11. Notepad app is an important feature, and having a feature named Markdown, we will see how to create a Markdown file in Notepad app. Open Notepad app in your system, Windows 11 system. Here from the top right corner, click on Settings cog and go to Formatting and turn the toggle button on under Formatting to enable Markdown feature in Notepad app on your Windows 11 system. Thereafter go back and click on File from the top left corner, and here click on Save As. Click on it. Here choose a file name with extension .md. Choose a file name. .md and choose a location. Confirm the file name with the .md extension and click on Save option. Now your Markdown text file is duly saved. Close the current Notepad app and thereafter go to saved location and open Notepad app. Right click on it and choose Open with Notepad. Now your Notepad Markdown app will now open. Here type anything in your Notepad app. How to get started with Markdown in Notepad app in Windows 11. Type anything as per your requirement, and now we will see how to change its title, subtitle, heading, subheading, section, subsection and body from the H1 menu, from the top menu bar. Various type of features available under Markdown Notepad app. And you can also create bullet points and ordered list. You will also find the options for bold and italic, and there's an option to insert links. So now select the text and from the top menu bar you will find an H1 option. Click on a small arrow and you will find here various type of option available. Title, subtitles, heading, subtitles. You can see your text automatically change to subheading, section and some other features under H1 menu of your Markdown Notepad app. So change as per your choice. You can also bold and italic option also available. You can also insert a link. Select it, click on insert link, insert, click on it. Select first, click on insert link and type the link address. And click on insert. Now you can see you will find inserted link. This will bring you to the selected site. Also available if you want to clear all formatting, click on this link and all formatting will be cleared. You can also create bullet points and ordered list. You will also find the option for bold and italic, and there is an option to insert link also. So click on View option from the top menu bar, select it, click on View option and here choose, hover the cursor on Markdown and two options you will find, formatted and syntax. If you choose formatted, then it will create formatted, and otherwise choose syntax, and it will various type of bullets and other feature also available here under this tool. So Markdown tool is a very important tool in Windows 11, and first you will have to enable Markdown in Notepad app in Windows 11. Markdown is not new, it's been available for a long time, and it's a lightweight markup language that you can use to add formatting elements to plain text documents, including headings, lists, bolds, italic, links, and many more. So you must change your file name with .md text file. If you want to disable Markdown, then simply turn the toggle button off against formatting in Notepad app. You can see your. Now close the Notepad app and open a fresh. That's all.